In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Notion tasks instantly. Notion is a fantastic tool to keep all your tasks organized, and scheduling them is quite straightforward. We're going to break down each step and make sure you feel confident in scheduling your tasks efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your tasks database within Notion. This is where all your tasks are stored, making it your central hub for task management. If you haven't used the tasks database feature much yet, don't worry. It's really user-friendly. Just locate it in your Notion workspace. It's usually right there on your sidebar, unless arranged otherwise. Next, let's create a new task. This is as easy as clicking on the New button, which usually appears at the top of your database. Think of a task or project that you want to get done and type it into the task title. Be as specific as you can with the title to ensure clarity later on. Having a descriptive title can make it much easier to comprehend the task in the future when you're reviewing your agenda. After you've created a new task, you'll see various properties available for this task entry. Among these is the date property, which is the key to scheduling. So click on the date property. It opens a calendar where you'll choose when this task should be on your radar next. Here's where Notion shines by allowing you to set a specific date and time for your task, offering more control over your schedule. Remember, having a clear deadline can improve focus and productivity. When you select the date and time, think about when you realistically want to start working on this task, or when it needs to be completed. Notion's calendar view is quite intuitive, allowing you to browse through months and find the perfect date with ease. Just click on the date you prefer and set the time if needed. For added convenience, you have the option to set a reminder. This step is optional but highly recommended, especially for those tasks that you might forget or if you're juggling multiple projects. To do this, select the notification or reminder option, which is frequently found right beside the date setting. Choose when you'd like to receive the reminder. Maybe a day before or an hour before you start the task. This will help keep you on track and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it. Your task is now scheduled in Notion. By taking these straightforward steps, you can organize your tasks efficiently and ensure you stay on top of your workload. Feel free to explore and customize these options more as you become more familiar with Notion. Happy scheduling, and may your productivity soar to new heights. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips and tricks to master your Notion experience.